Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Trump. Today, we're talking about something everyone loves, travel and holidays.
Yes, we'll learn how to talk about where you go, what you do, and what you like about traveling.
So get ready, relax, and imagine your next holiday with us.
Part 1. Talking about travel. Trump, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I like visiting new places and trying new food.
That's great. I love traveling too. I like to visit the beach or the mountains.
Let's teach our listeners some travel words. Repeat after us. Travel, trip, journey, holiday, vacation, flight, hotel, ticket, luggage, passport.
Now some sentences. I like traveling to new places. I go on holiday in August. I take a flight to Japan. I pack my luggage.
Excellent. Now, listeners, say it with us. I like traveling to new places.
Good job. Part 2. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan because I love the food and the culture.
Nice. I want to go to France to see the Eiffel Tower.
Let's help our listeners make sentences with want to go. Repeat after us. I want to go to Thailand. I want to go to the beach. I want to visit my friends.
Perfect. Now say why. I want to go to the mountains because I like nature. I want to visit New York because I love big cities.
Yes, adding because makes your sentence longer and more natural.
Part 3. Planning a trip. Let's talk about planning a trip. Trump, how do you plan your travel?
I book my ticket and hotel online. I check the weather and make a list of things to bring.
Good idea. I also make a plan for each day. What to see, what to eat, and how to get there.
Here are useful phrases. I book a flight. I reserve a hotel. I check the weather. I pack my bag.
Let's practice together. I book a flight online. I pack my clothes and camera. I make a travel plan. Part 4. At the destination. Trump, what do you usually do when you arrive at your destination?
I take photos, try local food, and visit famous places. I also talk to local people.
That's great for practice. When you travel, you can learn English too, at the hotel, restaurant, or airport.
Exactly. Let's practice some phrases for travel situations. Where is the hotel? How much is this ticket? I'd like some water, please. Can you help me?
Repeat after us slowly. Excellent! Part 5. Travel experiences. Trump, what is your favorite trip so far?
My favorite trip was to Vietnam. The food was amazing and people were friendly.
That sounds wonderful. My favorite trip was to Korea. I loved the street food and shopping.
Now, listeners, think about your best trip. Say it in English. My favorite trip was to blank because blank. Good job.
Okay, time to practice. Repeat after us. I like traveling to new places.
I want to go to Japan.
I book a flight online.
I take photos and eat local food.
My favorite trip was to Thailand.
Perfect. Now answer these questions out loud. 1. Where do you want to go? 2. Why do you want to go there? 3. What do you do on holiday?
Thank you for joining us on English Podcast for Beginners. Today, we talked about travel and holidays, one of the best ways to learn and enjoy English.
That's right. When you travel, you hear many new sounds and words. It's a great chance to listen to real English in everyday life, at the airport, in hotels, or with new friends.
Yes, and you can also practice your speaking every day, even when you're not traveling. Here's a tip. Try to speak English for 5 minutes a day, even just to yourself. Talk about what you see, what you do, or what you feel.
That's a good idea. You can also listen to short English videos, songs, or podcasts, like this one, and repeat after the speaker. This helps you improve your accent and pronunciation.
Exactly. Don't worry about mistakes. Every time you speak, you get better. Learning English is like a trip. Enjoy the journey.
So, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep smiling. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound.
Thank you again for listening. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Trump.
See you next time.
And keep learning with us.